All right, so here's the same table again, where my age is in years and my sister's age is also in years. How old was I? Let's go ahead and answer the first question. How old was I when my sister was, my sister is 6. How old was I? So for this one, I'm looking at my sister's age. My sister's age is 6. When she is 6, I am 4 years old. So when my sister is 6, I am 4 years old. So how old was I, question B, when my sister was 15 years old? So let's look at how we go from my sister's age to my age. From 6 to 4, we're subtracting 2, so on and so forth. So when my sister is 15, I can subtract 2 and assume that I am 13 years old. How do I know? Because whatever my sister's age is, I'm going to take that number and subtract 2 to find my age. So I know because I am 2 years younger than my sister. 2 years younger than my sister. So that was question C. Question D says, looking at the table, if I know my sister's age, can you determine my age? So I would say that is a hard yes, right? We're going to say yes. Sister's age minus 2 is equal to my age. So this time they're saying to use the letter G for my sister's age. What expression can I write? So instead of S minus 2, I'm going to write G minus 2. So that was the answer to E. And then F says to fill in the last row of the table with the expression. So when my sister is G years old, I am G minus 2, right? So now it says with a partner, but really by yourself. Think about when my sister is 22, 23, and 24. How old are you? I am, right? 22 minus 2 is 20. 23 minus 2 is 21. And 24 minus 2 is 22. So when she is 22, 23, and 24, I am 20, 21, and 22.